Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today is Monday, 21st March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates in the UAE. But before that, I would like you to request to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Starting with the 24 carats 1 gram price, without VAT is 233.50 dirham and with VAT is 245.18. For 22 carats, without VAT price is 219.25 and with VAT is 230.21. For 21 carats, without VAT price is 209.25 and with VAT price is 219.71. Last but not the least, for the 18 karat gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 179.50 and with VAT is 188.48. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please press the like button. And again, I would like you request to please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.